Welcome to Asim Code. If you want to see more coding projects, like and subscribe. I've got a ton of great tutorials coming up. In C programming, a memory address refers to a unique identifier or location in the computer's memory where a particular piece of data is stored. When we talk about memory addresses, we are discussing how variables, arrays, functions, and other data types are stored in a computer's RAM, random access memory, during program execution. This example demonstrates the concept of pointers and passing by reference in C. Specifically, it shows how to use a pointer to modify the value of a variable in a function. Include the standard I/O library to allow input and output operations like printf. Function definition to increment the value at the memory address pointed to by PTR. The *PTR expression dereferences the pointer, meaning it accesses the value stored at the memory address it points to. Increase the value stored at the memory address by 1. Declare an integer variable number and initialize it to 5. Declare a pointer PTR that will hold the memory address of number. The n number is the address of operator, which gives the memory address of number. Print the current value of number and the memory address where number is stored. %d is used to print the value of number, and %p is used to print the memory address of number. Call the increment function, passing the memory address of number, i.e., PTR. The function will use the pointer to change the value of number directly, because it has access to number's memory address. PTR holds the address of number, so inside increment, *PTR refers to number. After the increment, print the updated value of number and its memory address again. Now run our code. If you enjoyed the video, Please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.